Hello everyone. In this video we are see about vibration measurement system. There are 4 essential parts to any vibration measurement system. First, the sensor or transducer. Second, the data acquisition hardware. Third, the computer. And finally, the measurement software. First, sensors like accelerometers or force hammers collect vibration data and convert it into electrical signals. This signal is then measured by the data acquisition system and transferred to the computer. Once stored, we use dedicated software to process and analyze the results. In this setup, we use an impact hammer to excite the structure's natural frequencies. The accelerometer then captures the response to each excitation. This process is a classic example of modal testing and forced vibration analysis. In modal testing, weight matters. We use lightweight accelerometers, so their mass doesn't interfere with the structure's natural movement. Additionally, by picking a sensor with a lower measuring range, we get a cleaner signal with less background noise, making our data far more accurate. Here we will see in detail about vibration measurement system. In this study, the physical system involves vibration analysis, where the primary measured parameters are acceleration and force. To measure this physical parameters, we will use the accelerometer for acceleration and force sensor, or formally it is called impact hammer for force measurements. There are 2 major types of accelerometer are there. One is ICP or IEPE, and another one is charge type. So when use the ICP type accelerometer, we need to use the ICP signal conditioner between the sensors to the DAQ system. And when we use the charge type accelerometer, we need to use the charge amplifier between the sensor and the DAQ system. The charge type accelerometers mostly used in high temperature surface and high shock measurements, and hardware-based signal processing are available to convert the vibration signal into the different parameters. Like convert the acceleration to velocity, we need to have integration I, the signal processing unit. Nowadays, most of the signal conditioner comes with integrated and inbuilt with data acquisition system itself. So once after the signal conditioning and processing, the analog voltage will fed to the ADC. When we select the data acquisition system for your application like vibration measurements or any other dynamic measurements, the ADC should be 24-bit resolution. And the sampling rate is how much data samples per second you want to measure to understand your physical system. It depends up to your measuring frequency. It start from 2 kHz to the 20 kHz. Once the data has processed through the processor, that will be transferred to the computer with different way communication, for example, USB, Ethernet, and PCI, and so on. Once the computer receives data, the measurement software will help us to analyze and create the report and export the data into different format. Thanks for watching. We will see you again with next exciting informative videos in our channel.